How to add text to speech on TikTok video. To add text to speech on video, first of all, you have to go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your device. Now you simply have to go ahead and tap on the large plus icon on the bottom. From here, select any media from your gallery or proceed to record a video. Once you're done recording the video, go ahead and tap next. Now once you're here within the editing panel, you simply have to go ahead and then tap the text to speech icon over here, or simply tap the text icon. Now you simply have to type in your text over here. Now once you're done typing it, you simply have to go ahead and tap done, and then within this bar you simply have to go ahead and select the text to speech option. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now place the speech and the text and tap on this arrow. Once you're done editing, then proceed to post it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.